Steve here, RC. I'm out with the Wild Willy, as you could see. That was a nice rhyme. I'm gonna take this sucker for a little spin. See what she could do, guys. This has a black motor in it. A Tamiya black motor, full ball bearings and oil shocks. Whoa! See, it's sport tuned. See if I could do a burnout here. This thing's just a wheelie machine. Can't do nothing. Let's give her a go. Works good in the grass. Whoa, I'm doing wheelies. I don't know how it'll do going up these rocks. I can't floor it because it'll bounce like crazy. Let's see if I could give it some gas. Oh! That was nice. Hope you've seen that. Just get a little bit of the rust off this sucker. I didn't use it in so long. Go up here. Whoa, that's bumpy. Whoa, going by the famous tank over here. These Wild Willies are fun little trucks. Oh, Nelly, tipped her over. Sorry, Willie. You gotta really feather the gas on these suckers because you just touch it, they pop, pop, pop. There it comes. Once you learn how to drive them, they're pretty good. I had this one here for a long time. Whoa, there I go again. Woo. Smacked them up good. Whoa, almost slid on my you-know-what. I wonder why he flipped over. Without oil shocks, these really bounce like crazy. You definitely need the oil shocks on these beauties. If you don't get them and you rode on here, this thing will be flipping like a beauty. Oh, just like that. Ah, the simplest turn gets you every time. Used to say hard, you know what? Dang, I'm beating this guy up today. This is some rough terrain. He always seems to go back on his lid. That's what's good about it. Give you good exercise though, I'll give you that. See him go? Oh! Come on, hold the front down, Wild Willy. Sport tuned motor's too much for you. Look at him go. I'm surprised it ain't flipping over on this rough stuff. Oh, that hit hard. Oh, he just blew that branch right out of the way. Wild Willy don't take nothing. Says give me more of that branch, sucker. Alright, you asked for it. There we go. Yeah, that was nice. Let's open them up. Go, Wild Willy. Alright guys, just wanted to show you the Wild Willy here. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I just wanted to get this sucker out. I didn't use it in a long time. Hit that bell for future videos. And I'll see you next time around. See you later guys. Couldn't pass up this little thing I found here, like a course. Whoa. Handling pretty good. See if I could do some wheelies. Oh, rocking it. Uh-oh. Went off course. Oh! I lost my light on the bar here, but I think I might know where it is. I had a vicious crash up here. I don't know if I'll find it. I remember somewhere up here I had a bad crash. Yep. There she is. Do you believe that? I found it. I had a vicious flip over here and I remembered, so came back, found it. Beauty. Good luck, Willie.